Good morning, dear friends. Welcome back to another episode on my channel. So today I'm back with a simple salad recipe. Let's make roasted beet salad with feta. Feta cheese is really good. It goes very well with beetroots because beets are sweeter and feta is a little saltier, so they combine very well in salads. And I'm going to use some lettuce that I received from our friend's farm. I still have a whole lot of it there. But if you are making this salad warm, you avoid adding greens. This salad can be made both ways. You can enjoy it warm or room temperature or cold one from the refrigerator. So today let's proceed to make this cold one with lettuce leaves. Roasted beet salad with feta cheese. This is a very simple, easy to make salad with just few ingredients and loaded with nutrition. For this we'll require beets. I have taken 3, and then olive oil 2 tablespoons, salt as needed, crushed black pepper about 1/4 teaspoon, feta cheese and some lettuce leaves. You could also use some rocket leaves or baby spinach instead. Ingredients list can also be seen in the description box. Now let's peel the beets first. The roasted beets really add a different kind of taste to the salad. If you're short of time, you could even use boiled beetroots, but I prefer the roasted ones for a change. In the normal salads, we always add boiled beets. Now the peeling is done. Cut them into small pieces as you desire. Let's add the marination to it. Little bit of salt, black pepper and olive oil. Very simple. Mix everything very well so that all the beets are coated with this mixture. Oil, salt and pepper mixture. Transfer them into the baking tray. If you wish, you could even squeeze some lemon on it for tanginess. It's optional. Some like the sweet beets with salted feta cheese. As such, it's a nice combo which go very well together. Give them a nice toss. And put the tray into the oven. Bake at 200°C for 20 minutes. After that you can check it. If required, you can bake for 5 to 7 minutes more, depending on the size of the beetroots. If the chunks are larger, it may take little more time. Meanwhile, let's put the lettuce into the ice water. This will make it nice and crispy. Break the leaves with your hand. Always good to tear them. Do not use knife for cutting the lettuce. You will see the difference, how crispy they become after at least half an hour or so. Now put the dish into the refrigerator. Here the beets are done. Let them cool because we cannot put the hot beets on lettuce leaves because they will wilt. Let's see the lettuce, how nice and crispy it is. When you break, you can hear that crunchiness. Perfect. Now spread these crispy lettuce leaves on a serving platter. Put the beets on top of them. Look at the lovely color combination, red beets and green lettuce leaves. Simple but very nutritious salad. And on top of it, some crumbled feta cheese. Awesome. Beets are a little sweeter and feta cheese is salty. They go very well together. The salad is ready for you to enjoy. Simple salads are so nice and refreshing, especially in summer. By the way, have you subscribed to the channel? If not, please do that so that you can have a look at all my recipes as soon as I post them. I have shared many more salads earlier. Check them out. I'm sharing the playlist here and in the description box. Thank you for watching. Have a look at these videos from my collection also if you are a new visitor.